Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Chef and More. Today we are getting ready to make the best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. Guys, without further ado, let's get busy. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to show you how to make the best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. We're going to start off with some olive oil. Just pour it right in the center of the chicken. Going to go in with some bouillon. This is chicken bouillon that I've crushed. Nothing fancy. Paprika we're adding to that. We're going to go in with a little garlic powder and my favorite onion powder. Then we're going to use some herbs. Now you can use fresh herbs. I'm going to use dry today. We're going to add in a little parsley and a little oregano. Then we're going to go in with some Kinder's black pepper seasoning. And let's not forget the thyme. Guys, once we get all our seasonings in there, you want to mix them all together. This is going to make the best oven-baked chicken. It's going to be so nice and juicy. We want to get all of our chicken covered with the seasoning for the best oven-baked chicken ever. Go ahead, make sure you rub it all in the crevices. Then we're going to place our chicken in the cast iron skillet if you have one. Use any other skillet if you don't. But for our best oven-baked chicken, we want to use our cast iron skillet. So just put it all in there, skin side down. That's important because we want our skin to be nice and crispy, guys. After all, this is the best oven-baked chicken. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to put it in a 425-degree oven for 45 minutes. We're going to prepare our rice. I've got it in a baking dish. I've added some butter, onion, and garlic powder is what I'm putting in. Now we're going to go in with 3 cups of chicken stock. Now you can use homemade chicken stock. I've actually made this with Better Than Bouillon. Add in a couple of more crushed cubed bouillon and some white pepper. This is going to really flavor our rice. And I'm adding in a little Weber's Cajun seasoning. It's going to add a little kick and a little color. Mix it all well together. Guys, then take some foil and cover it up. This is going to make our rice just even better for the best oven-baked chicken and rice there is. Now, guys, this is going to be mushroom rice. So we want to melt some butter in a skillet. Add in our mushrooms. I'm using baby bellas. You can use any kind you like. Go ahead. We're going to saute this up really good, adding in some minced garlic and a little sea salt and black pepper. Don't forget, you need to season these mushrooms. Now we're going to go in with some scallions, green onions, guys. I love that flavor. And it's going to give the best oven-baked chicken some awesome flavor. So don't forget to add it in. We're going to go in with another pat of butter because we want our mushrooms to be a little buttery, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. This is awesome. We are getting ready to turn our chicken over on the other side so that we can get our skin crispy. I mean, after all, the best oven-baked chicken has to have crispy skin. So get it turned over. We're going to put it back in the oven just until the skin gets crispy. That's going to probably be about 15 or 20 minutes for me. Your oven may get a little hotter, faster, or a little cooler. So watch it. Just keep an eye on it for that nice crispy skin. And in the meantime, our rice should be good and done. So guys, get a fork and fluff up our rice. And after we get that all fluffed up, we're going to just add in our mushrooms and stir that up. Guys, this is going to be the best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. Oh my goodness, look at it, and it's still sizzling. If you could smell this, you would say, oh my God, yes, it is the best oven-baked chicken. Oh, listen to that. Can you hear that crispiness? Okay, guys, now hang in there with me. This is what you want to do for serving. Just lay your chicken right on top of the rice. Isn't this a beautiful presentation? Guys, everybody would be like, oh my goodness, yes, this is the best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. Lay it on top, guys. Then serve it up. I'm going to get me a couple of pieces because guess what, guys? It's time for us to do a little tasting. Oh my goodness. And I've got all the recipe in the description so you can make it too. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. And this, guys, is how you make the best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. Look at that. Isn't that delicious with that crispy skin? Yes, now I'm going to cut a piece so you can just see how juicy this oven-baked chicken is. Yes, look at that, guys. This is the best oven-baked chicken ever. Oh my goodness, the steam's still coming out. My face tells it all. The best oven-baked chicken and rice ever. And guys, do me a favor, if you would, I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Leave me some comments and give me a thumbs up. For all of you all who are subscribed to me, I really do appreciate you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.